Honourable members, I now interrupt the business of the House to allow the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury and Economic Planning to make public pronouncement on the budget policy highlights and revenue-raising measures for the national government for the year 2023-2024 and the medium term. Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury and Economic Planning, Professor Njuguna Ndung'U, CBS, you may now proceed. The floor is yielded to you.
Mr. Speaker, it is a great honor and privilege for me to present to this august House and to the people of the Republic of Kenya the first budget of the Kenya Kwanza administration under the...
Order, members.
Okay, ada
Minister, proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It is a great honor and privilege for me to present to this august House and to the people of Kenya the first budget of the Kenya Kwanza administration under the leadership of His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya and the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces.